Supplier diversity is extremely important in finding trade partners in the community. We're out hosting local outreach events and tabling events. We're meeting and talking with small business owners, and we're partnering with agencies like the Port of Seattle to offer mentoring and help most of these small businesses get opportunities.
I had attended the Port of Seattle Aviation Industry Day event where I met Jason Jones from Hensel Phelps. I thought it was just like another great opportunity to network, but to my surprise, he reached out to me a couple of days later to set up a meeting. It actually felt genuine and it felt real.
Metrics has been all in from the start, especially on a project as complicated as a Gateway project. Sony has not been afraid to step into our world and be a part of this team and this project that really has taken the final product to the next level.
During the procurement process, I was impressed with Metrics's preparedness. They had the right people present for the meeting, knowledgeable of the project. Metrics did that by meeting their commitments and supporting the project schedule.
You know, these restrooms that she has done and her project team has done have been raved across stakeholders with the airport. Can't wait to see what comes down the line.
The contributions that Metrics Construction has brought to the project has been phenomenal. I think it's important to have trade partners like Katie Morton, a small business, smaller group. They really bring a different talent level, experience, just a different way of viewing things and doing things.
Jason's approach and the team at Hensel Phelps really took this small meeting, this small opportunity, and turned it into a real project that we're working on together that can turn into a lasting working relationship.
The community impact using small businesses on our projects is huge. These small businesses basically go out and buy from local suppliers, they hire people from the neighborhood, and they provide opportunities for people to provide for their families.